Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I purposely misspelled epilogue. I use epilogue word engine a lot because I'm a big fan of their lasers. But anyway, and normally when I'm typing out, it might be really small and I can't really see it. I didn't know what I typed wrong, and then I make it bigger and I go, uh-oh. I reverse the I and the L. Two ways you can do it. Click on your word, go right here to your text editor, but you actually have to kind of delete the letters and then type them back. So the other way you can do it, I didn't press OK, so it didn't change it. The other way you could do it, much to me a little easier, is get your text tool and click, and then holding down your left mouse button, and then just move it over here. Well, actually hold it and then move it, and see it puts a line, and now it's spelled correctly. So it's very easy to move letters around. Let's just do it again, and I'll show you. I misspelled, let's go TX for text. So it's small. I didn't see what I did wrong. So I need to reverse those X and the T. So all I have to do is take the text docker or the text symbol and then let go of it and then click it again and move it over there. And now I've got text spelled correctly, and having to, instead of retyping, especially if you have a whole sentence and they're all linked together, you don't want to take the time to retype the whole thing, or you can go up to text editor, which I still use quite a bit, and change it. Anyway, I hope that made sense a little bit, and thank you for watching.